Chapter 10, Gravitation, Class 9th CBSE based. Contents. Gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Force of gravitation of the Earth, gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Mass and weight. Free fall. Gravitation. Gravitation is the force of attraction between any two objects in the universe with mass. This force is responsible for keeping the planets in orbit around the Sun and the Moon in orbit around the Earth. Universal law of gravitation. Statement: according to Newton's universal law of gravitation, every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Formula: F between two objects is equal to the gravitational constant g multiplied by the product of the masses of the two objects m1 and m2, and divided by the square of the distance r between their centers, where F is equal to gravitational force between two objects. Gravitational constant g is equal to 6.674 times 10 power minus 11 Newton squared meters per kilogram squared. m1 and m2 is equal to masses of the two objects. R distance between the centers of the two objects. Example: if two objects with masses m1 is equal to 5 kg and m2 is equal to 10 kg are placed 2 meters apart, the gravitational force F between them is force of gravitation of the Earth, gravity. Gravity is the force with which Earth attracts objects towards its center. The gravitational force experienced by an object near Earth's surface is due to Earth's mass. Formula: F is equal to m times g, where F is equal to gravitational force, weight, on an object. M is equal to mass of the object. G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. 9.8 meter per second square on Earth's surface. Example: for an object with mass m is equal to 2 kg, the gravitational force acting on it would be F is equal to 2 times 9.8 is equal to 19.6 n. Acceleration due to gravity, g. Acceleration due to gravity is the rate of increase of velocity of an object falling freely under gravity. Value on Earth. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second squared or can be approximated to 10 meter per second squared for simpler calculations. Formula: G is equal to the gravitational constant g multiplied by the mass of the Earth m, divided by the square of the Earth's radius r, where G is equal to gravitational constant. Mass of Earth is equal to 6 times 10 power 24 meter. Radius of Earth is equal to 6.4 times 10 power 6 meter. Mass and weight. Mass, the amount of matter in an object. It is a scalar quantity and is measured in kilograms, kg. Mass is constant regardless of location. Weight, the force with which an object is attracted towards the Earth due to gravity. It is a vector quantity and is measured in newtons, n. It varies with the gravitational pull at different locations. Formula for weight. Weight is equal to m times g, where m is equal to mass of the body and g is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Example, for an object with mass 3 kilograms, its weight on Earth would be weight is equal to 3 times 9.8 is equal to 29.4 Newton, n. Free fall. When an object falls under the influence of gravitational force only, with no other force acting on it, like air resistance, it is in free fall. In free fall, all objects accelerate downwards at g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, regardless of their mass. Formula for distance during free fall. Distance h an object falls in free fall is equal to 1/2 of the acceleration due to gravity g multiplied by the square of the time, where h is equal to height distance fallen, t is equal to time taken to fall. Example, if an object is in free fall for 3 seconds, the distance it falls is. Solution is as given below.